Let's draw the molecular geometry where the central atom has a lone pair of electrons and 3 sigma bonds. And the electron configuration of the valence shell of sulfur is given below, but since we have a polyatomic ion, we have one less electron. And in the excited state, an electron from the 3s orbital jumps into the 3p orbital. And given that we have 3 sigma bonds and 1 lone pair, we'll hybridize one s orbital and 3p orbitals to obtain 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals at the same energy level, where one orbital takes a lone pair and 3 orbitals are used to form those sigma bonds. So the resulting orbital behaves 25% like an s orbital. And using VSEPR, where the electron pairs are at the furthest distance due to repulsion, we have the following molecular geometry. And when we construct the molecular geometry, we ignore the lone pairs. So what this looks like is a pyramid where the base has 3 sides. So we call this a trigonal pyramidal molecular geometry, where the sulfur is sp3 hybridized.